In this AI in finance video, I am going to show you how I use ChatGPT work for AI trading. The ChatGPT workflow that I'm going to show you is a workflow that I do on a daily basis. So basically, I'm showing you everything I do with ChatGPT work. So by the end of this video, you are going to know how to use ChatGPT work for AI trading. Let me now walk you through the entire workflow. I use my ChatGPT work to do a lot of stuff. One of them is SEO and thumbnail. Look at this thumbnail. It was created by ChatGPT work. Look at this. Fantastic. I gave it a prompt and look at the thumbnail that I got. This is fantastic, but this video is not all about thumbnail or SEO. It's all about ChatGPT work for AI trading. Now, let me start a new session. If you don't yet have ChatGPT, you should make sure you have the paid version, at least the one that costs $20 or 20 euros, depending on where you live. And with that, you'll be able to have access to ChatGPT work on your computer and also on your phone. Here you have chat and work. So make sure you click on work before you begin with this workflow. Now, this workflow is all about AI trading, and what I trade most of the time is cryptocurrency. And I want to know every day what Bitcoin is doing, or every week I want to understand what Bitcoin is doing. And what I focus on are the weekly and daily time frame price levels for Bitcoin. And after that, I want to understand what USDT dominance is doing, what Bitcoin dominance is doing, and what the altcoin market is doing. These top altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, if these top altcoins are moving, then the chances for the smaller altcoins to move is high. But my focus most of the time is to understand where the market is at with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is easy to trade and AI has even made it more easier to trade Bitcoin. And the first thing I want to understand is, what is crypto bubbles doing in terms of the altcoins that are doing well against Bitcoin? Take a screenshot to my ChatGPT work and I come to the DBC SVL framework, this DBC SVF platform. By the way, what I want you to understand is you cannot just wake up and go to ChatGPT work without any proper structure. You need to understand or have a framework that you use to trade. You need to give ChatGPT something to work on, not generalizing for everything, but to work on a particular framework or strategy. For me, I use the DBC SVL framework that talks about structure, value, and liquidity. So I'm going to take this screenshot now. I'm going to take the screenshot also on the weekly time frame. If you want to gain access to this SVL platform, just go to svl.debetong.com to gain access to this SVL platform, or you can use your trading view, get the screenshot here as well, then send it to ChatGPT, both the daily and the weekly time frame. So I'm going to use Whisper Flow to speak to my ChatGPT agent to begin with my workflow. I want you to take a look at this screenshot that I sent to you. This screenshot, I took it from the SVL framework platform and also trading view. What I want to understand is the SVL of Bitcoin today and also the SVL of Bitcoin this week. And the idea here is I want to understand whether Bitcoin is in an uptrend or Bitcoin is ranging. And if Bitcoin is in an uptrend or Bitcoin is ranging, where are the key levels? Where are the value areas? And also, I want to understand where the liquidity is on the chart. I also want you to look at some macro aspect like Bitcoin dominance, USDT dominance, to correlate it with the price of Bitcoin. And much that I want you to use the crypto bubbles to understand how the altcoin market is related to Bitcoin, or which altcoins are moving alongside Bitcoin. This crypto bubble chart that you see, most of the coins that are there are doing well against Bitcoin. At least the ones in green are doing well against Bitcoin, and the ones in red, Bitcoin is doing well against. So use this data to give me a proper analysis for me to understand where the market is at and where the market is heading towards. So I'm going to now send this to my agent. Let's wait. As we wait for the result, I want to explain to you why you should take advantage of AI right now. AI will make things easy for you. Imagine that you have to pay an expert to guide you or give you signals as to what is going on in the market, like tell you whether the market is in an uptrend, or let's say give you daily signal whether the market is in an uptrend, or where are the key levels in the market for you to buy, or where are the key levels in the market for you to sell. Imagine that you have to pay someone to do that job for you. That's gonna be expensive. But with a $20 or €20 ChatGPT plan, you'll be able to speak to an AI agent that can help you. An AI agent will have knowledge about the market, lots of data about the market. All you need to do is tell the AI agent what exactly you want to achieve. Let's go and see the result that we got from here. So this is the result, bottom line. Bitcoin is not in a confirmed uptrend. The clearest reading from your SVL screenshot is Bitcoin is ranging locally around the daily and weekly POC, while the higher time frame weekly structure remains bearish. The market is in a transitional phase, not a confirmed trend confirmation. Now, it went further to give this table here, Bitcoin today's daily SVL. So it defines you the value area high, which is around this 65.543. The daily POC, we have it at this price, current balance and price magnet. We have the daily value low. We have the liquidity above and liquidity below. Guys, this alone is very important. These are all key levels that when price gets there, should expect reaction, like the value area high, the value area low, and liquidity above and liquidity below. Now, if you go further, you see the daily structure is marked as transition, meaning nothing is really happening. The transitional part of it is like, okay, the market is either getting ready to reverse back to the upside or to continue back to the downside. That's why this daily value area high and daily value area low are important. You need to understand that these are important key areas that if price break and close above it, let me show you on this chart currently. You see, this is the weekly time frame, but let's go to the daily time frame. Let me show you what I'm trying to convey to you here. We have this value area high and value area low zone, and the value area high zone always acts as resistance and the value area low acts as support. And for you to take a trade here around the value area high, you must wait for price to break above the value area high, and the value area high must accept price above the value area high. Meaning, if price break and close above the value area high, and you see any pull back towards the value area high zone, then this value area high, which is now acting as resistance, must become support. That's when we say the value area high has accepted price outside the value area or above the value area high. Now, coming back here to ChatGPT work, you see that the eminent daily range is 62.500 to 65.543 range. So this is a measure support and this is a measure resistance on the daily time frame. We have this measure zone here and measure zone above. Is giving you a clear signal what is going on the chart. That's why you need to correlate what the chart is saying to what ChatGPT is saying to you before you take the decision on how you want to use it. Now, if you go further, it says the critical pivot is approximately 64. So it's giving you the approximate pivot, right? Yeah. So if you see price above this 64, that means it's a good zone to be looking for buy opportunity. Rejecting below 64,000 increases the probability of a move towards 62,500. ChatGPT work is giving you exactly what you need to understand. What will happen if price does that? That's why I say the SVL framework is one of the most powerful framework in the market. This framework is a multi-asset framework. You can use it to trade any asset, not only crypto. Now, going further, you'll see Bitcoin this week. That's the weekly SVL. Weekly value area high, POC, value area high, and the liquidity above and the liquidity below. This is important for swing traders or investors. This weekly setup is powerful if you want a DCA. The weekly structure is marked bearish with value position at POC. And if you go further, you'll see a lot of details here regarding Bitcoin dominance. You go down, you see what crypto bubbles is showing. All of the details here, you find it here. And if you go further, you see the current market interpretation. You go further, you see the final SVL reading. You say structure, value, liquidity, market state, conclusion. So you can see how powerful ChatGPT work is when you use it the right way. Let me now give ChatGPT the final prompt. Hey, thanks for the data. I appreciate. Now what I want you to tell me is this. I want to know the upside liquidity in terms of, is this upside liquidity where I should be looking at taking out profit? Because based on SVL, the upside liquidity is the target, right? So should I cash out profits if say I'm placing the buy? And if I have to place a buy, all right, based on SVL, which price point is the most important price point for me to pay attention to? And if I am to take a short, which price level is important for me to take a short? That means price must break that price level with high volume before I look for that trade. And the same with the sell side. This is the result. Yes, you mean SVL. The most important distinction is liquidity is normally the target, not the entry trigger. If you remember only 4 levels, that's 65 this, 68 this, 62 this, and 60 this. If planning a long, do not buy in the middle of the POC area around 63,730 to 64,020. That is where price is currently chopping. A strong long condition would be Bitcoin closes above 65,500 on the 4 hours or daily time frame. The move has clear volume expansion and displacement. Price retest 65,500 and hold it as support. Possible profit taking structure. First partial 65,300 to 65,500. Main partial 68,700 to 68,991. Higher target only after acceptance above 68,900, roughly 74 to 85K. The most important upside level is therefore 68,991, the main SVL upside liquidity target. So this is the main SVL upside liquidity target. If planning a short, there are 2 short conditions: short after rejection, if Bitcoin rallies into 65,540 83 or 68,991, and then produces a strong rejection, closes back below the levels. I really want you guys to learn SVL. ChatGPT work is explaining it to us in writings or in words. So if you can read this and go to the chart, you mark those key areas and you wait for price to break out, retest, hold, and you place that buy opportunity. See how easy it is if you use ChatGPT work alongside the SVL lens. This is going to help you a lot in your trading and investing journey. AI trading is fantastic if you have a good plan. If this video was helpful to you, my friend, and you want to learn more about this, let me know. I'm going to teach you how to analyze the market using SVL. You'll be able to be ahead of most traders or investors out there. You wouldn't be following the noise in the market. You wouldn't be just buying randomly. You're going to be buying at key levels based on key conditions. I want to teach you. I want to educate you. I want you to learn. If you are interested, join my Telegram community. The link is found below, and comment that you want to learn how to apply SVL, and also you want to learn how to use ChatGPT work to analyze the market, or maybe create content, or do whatever you want to do, right? If you have ideas, business you want to use ChatGPT work for, I can still help you. It must not be only about cryptocurrency or trading or investing. It could be something else that you want to solve with ChatGPT or with AI. So I can help you do all of that. Until then, my friends, see you the next one. Bye bye. Ciao.